yesterday class you have learned about tenses and verb forms and how to identify the tense of the sentence and know the tenses, and also you know about the verb forms. Now I am going to start very important topic in all 8th class, 9th class, 10th class and intermediate also. Active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. Already you got some knowledge on that, but now you will get some more clarity in all types of sentences, how to change to passive voice. What are the rules? Compulsory, you must know. Of course, if you want to play cricket, what do you have? Compulsory, you must have cricket bat, cricket ball, wickets and some players. So like that, if you want to change active voice sentence to passive voice, compulsory you must know some rules and regulations, and also you must know the verb forms V1, V2, V3, V4 forms. What is the V3 form of the base form and V forms, and changes of subject to object. These are compulsory, you must know. Okay children, now I am going to explain all those. Children, already in tenses you have known there are 12 tenses are there, 12 tenses. The main tense is 3, present tense, past tense, future tense. Each main tense has 4 subtenses, total 12 tenses. But here in present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous, there is no passive voice. There is no passive voice. So we have passive voice. In each main tenses, 3 subtenses only have the passive voice. Simple present, simple past, simple future, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. These have the active voice. So children, how to change each and sentence, how to write these tenses, you must observe. And also, you know the verb forms. If you want to write passive voice correctly, you must know the verb forms V1, V2, V3 and V4, V5. Add S or ES to base form. Like I just remain some verb forms only here. And most important, compulsory, you must know about the B forms. B forms and save in your e-notebook. Total how many B forms are there? 8 B forms. Am, is, are, was, were, being, been, be. Am, is, are, was, were, being, been, be. How many B forms are there? There are 8 B forms. Those are am, is, are, was, were, being, been, be. It's like a proverb or song. Am, is, are, was, were, being, been, be. You must remember all these 8 B forms. And where we use the B forms? Where we use? How to use? Here I am giving a tabular form. Keep watching. Singular number, plural number. We have singular number, plural number. 1, it is called singular number. 2 or more than 2, plural. And present tense, past tense, future tense, continuous tense, perfect tense. Present, past, future, continuous, perfect tense. This is how the passive voice. In present tense, we use be forms in singular. Present tense singular, am is. What is singular? Subject singular. Present tense subject singular, we use be form am and is. Am or is. In plural, if the subject is plural, plural means what is plural? Subject is plural. If the subject is plural, we use be form are. Past tense, if the subject is singular, we use be form was. If the subject is plural, we use be form were. In future tense, if the subject is singular or plural, either singular or plural, we use will be or shall be. Just if the subject is I or we use will be or shall be. Otherwise, will be. Subject I or we use shall be or will be, no problem. So remaining all, we use will be. Future tense. Keep watching and observe. Save in your e-notebook. In continuous tense, we use be form being. B-E-I-N-G, being. Continuous tense, being is most important. If you are using correctly, compulsory must know the tense. What type of tense is there? Is it the given sentence? Identification is most important. Perfect tense, we use be form been. B-E-N, been. Been. So, competent children, all this is very important. Keep all this in your e-notebook, in your mind. So, okay children, this table is very important. This is very important to changing the active voice to passive voice. Watch and listen carefully. Watch and listen carefully and use yourself. The subject in the active voice becomes the object. Object in the passive voice. The subject in the active voice becomes the object. Object in the passive voice. You know the subject and object in the sentence. Rama killed Ravana. Rama is the subject. Ravana is the object. The cat kills the rat. Cat is the subject, rat is object. So, in the sentence, you identify the subject and object. Here we have three persons, first person, second person, third person. Three persons, first person me, and second person you, third person. Third person means Rama, Krishna, Sita, child, lion, cow, who are not here. Not I and you, remaining all belongs to the third person. Third person. Third person. First person, second person, third person. What are these? First person, second person, third person. These are only the first person means ours, belong, us. Second person means you, who are surrounding us. Third person who are not here or third. Here singular. First person singular. First person singular. I. In subjective case. As subject I. How to change I in object? Objective case. Objective case. Singular I, me. I changes me. I changes me. I drive a car. A car is driven by me. I drive a car. A car is driven by me. I changes me. And in plural, we play cricket. We play cricket. Cricket is played by us. Cricket is played by us. We change us. We change us. Here you. Singular. Plural you. All. You don't change. You. It doesn't change. You. He or she, it. He, she, it changes in singular him. He, him, she, her, it. In plural they, them. They changes them. If a subject they, in object them we write. Copy done and very close observe. Next, suppose eats banana. Krishna eats banana. Krishna eats banana. First, you identify the tense of the sentence. You identify the tense of the sentence. Krishna eats banana. As it is in the simple present tense, because the verb. What is shows? The sentence type which is shows. How can you identify? So mainly by verb. Once watch the verb. Eats is the verb. Eats. It is in the present form. Verb. This is Krishna. Subject. Banana. Object. Banana. Object. First observe the verb. It is in the V1 form. Simple present tense form. So this is simple present tense. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. So changes passive voice. To change the passive voice, observe very closely. To change the passive voice, first change object to subject, subject to object. Here banana, object. First you change in passive voice banana, subject, banana. But write B capital letter, starting letter capital. Banana. So immediately, very next, you write B form. I was given in table. In simple present tense, banana is singular. So we use B form. Here, banana singular. We use B form. Is. What is the past tense of is? Use B form. Use. In singular, we use banana is. Banana is. So immediately we use always active voice in active voice to change the passive voice. In passive voice we use the V3 form of the verb. What is the V3 form of eat, eat, ate, eaten? Banana is eaten. Eaten. We add by. We add by. Eaten by Krishna. Banana is eaten by Krishna. Banana is eaten by Krishna. What are the changes once observe? Immediately identify the tense of the sentence, simple present tense. In simple present tense we use be form. Am is, are. If the subject is singular we use am is. Here banana we use is. Banana is. Always in passive voice use the verb V3 form, past participle form. It's eaten by Krishna. So next I write Krishna is eating banana. Krishna is eating banana. Krishna is eating banana, of course. This is the given active voice sentence. Which tense is it? Krishna is eating. Is eating, continuous tense. And present continuous. Is eating. Present continuous. Present continuous tense. Immediately you can identify Krishna is eating banana. We change in passive voice. Passive voice. So what is the main changing? Here identify the verb. Is eating is the verb. Is eating. Ing form. So continuous tense. Banana. Banana is the object. So banana. Banana singular is. It is continuous tense. In continuous tense, which be form shall we use? Be form we use being. Banana is being. B-E-I-N-G. Banana is being. Banana is being. Again, we use the verb V3. He is being eaten. Eaten by Krishna. Eaten by Krishna. Once compare these two sentences. Here, Krishna eats banana. Banana is eaten by Krishna. Krishna is eating banana. Banana is being eaten by Krishna. Here, changes past voice banana, banana. By Krishna. Two are same as. What is the change? Only the change is in the verb. Is eaten, is being eaten. Is eaten, is being eaten. The changes is only in the be form and the verb. Be form, the changes. Banana is being eaten by Krishna. Next, active one. Same sentence, but tenses change. Krishna has eaten banana. Krishna has eaten banana. Which tense is it? Tense. Has eaten. Perfect tense. Has eaten or have eaten. Present perfect tense. So present perfect tense. Present perfect. Present perfect tense. It is present perfect tense. Krishna has eaten banana. Second, right, passive voice. Very close observe and listen. Krishna has eaten banana. Immediate changes banana. We write as subject. Krishna object. Krishna object. Has eaten. Which be form shall we use in perfect tense? Already I gave you a tabular form. We use be form. Been. Banana. And also banana singular. We use has also. Banana has been. Banana has been eaten. Eaten by Krishna. Banana has been eaten by Krishna. Krishna has eaten banana. Banana has been eaten by Krishna. Only I finished 3 sentences. All these 3 sentences, if you observe, what are the changes in compare the sentences. In all sentences subjects are same as. All passive voice sentences subjects are same as banana. Objects are same as Krishna. By Krishna. The only change is in the verb. Be form. Verb. Is eaten. Is being eaten. Has been eaten. Okay, children? Have you understood? So again, I just write one sentences in 3 tenses. I take Krishna eats banana. I take only one sentence. Simple present. Again I write present continuous, present perfect. That sentence only. So like that, you write, practice some more sentences. Write one sentence and change these 3 times. Again, we will practice tomorrow past tense. Okay, copy down, children. Children, yesterday you wrote many sentences. I appreciate you. Many of you wrote so many sentences. Practice. So, among those, take simple present is present continuous, present perfect, and change to passive voice. Wish you good luck.